Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to save a template in Hypic using your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Hypic app on your iPhone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, create a new design or choose a template you like from the app's library. Customize the template however you want. Add your photos, text, stickers or colors. Make sure your design looks exactly how you want it to be saved. Once your design is ready, look for the save or template icon. This is usually at the top or bottom of the editing screen. Tap Save as Template. You may ask to name your template. Give it a name that's easy to remember so you can find it later. Then tap Save or restore it in your Hypic account. Your saved template will appear in the template sections or My Template tab inside the app. Anytime you want to reuse it, just open Hypic, go to My Templates and secure it. And that's it. Saving templates in Hypic is fast and easy on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.